All right, welcome guys to a new TA on the Casper token on the Casper blockchain. We are going to look at the market today because it's very exciting. It has been exciting for the last week or so. And yeah, as you all know, the predictions I made came true, and let's see what's gonna happen next in the market. All right, so what can we see here? Just take painting some trend lines. Oh my God, look at that. Just found um, this movement here. So when you take this trend line, I'm gonna delete this real quick. When you take this trend line from the top of this candle, this is on a daily, by the way, so it's a very strong level. Um, and you hit the first one there, and there he broke it. See it? Here he broke it. So we went up, right? I mean, that's not the only confirmation that we had that it would break. I mean, this is a good confirmation as well. Whenever the candle closes above the trend line, this usually means a trend reversal. And if you see like hammers or engulfing, like this bullish, no, that's not really a bullish engulfing because the the body is not bigger. Let's see where a bullish engulfing is. This is a very clear bullish engulfing candle, and then you see that the price goes up. And this is a bearish engulfing. No, not a bearish one because the wick is not bigger. So the wick has to be bigger on either side, and the body has to be bigger. So this is not a bearish engulfing candle. Um, all right, how do we? Okay, that's forget that. Let's see. Let's look at our levels where we can drop to, right? I mean, I'm gonna take some trend lines right now, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I see in the market and what I see happening. So we take some trend lines, and we always wait for the third touch, right? So the first touch, the second touch. I'm gonna take this trend line a bit, yeah, like this. Um, you have to be very accurate with trend lines. So let's see. This area is very important. No, this is not important as well. Um, Here, this is an important area. You see how it rejects this whole area. How when it breaks, we go up quite a bit. Here breaks, we go up quite a bit. It breaks and we go down quite a bit. See how they respect these levels. Look how beautiful the market is. So yeah, we have a little fake out, right? Fake outs, but this equilibrium is very important. I think this is a very important zone for Casper as well. All right, so let's look, and here it crosses this one as well. So this is actually my one of my goals. It's like 3 cent Casper. I think it's gonna happen, and I mean not maybe not this run. Yeah, maybe this run. I think so. Yeah, but we will see. We will see what happens. I mean, I don't have a glass bowl or something, so we just have to look out and see what's gonna happen. So further, we have some trend lines that we can draw, and you see that this trend line right here is a very good one because it crosses here. Maybe another one here. Yeah, this guys, this cannot be coincidence, right? I mean, this is gonna happen either today or tomorrow. I mean, this is gonna happen. This is gonna happen any day now, I think. Look how strong this level is, right? If maybe we can get another trend line to it. Let's see. I don't know. So you just kind of look at where strong levels were, right? And then you take some trend lines, which you can also do like this. You can also go through the bodies, but let's see where this is gonna. No, that's not worthy. So yeah, this is some live analysis, guys. I didn't prepare something. I mean, I looked at the market, right? But yeah, you can see what I'm seeing and how I think. Let's see about this, right? Oh no, let's not look at those. Maybe this parallel channel. This is a very strong level though. We can see this immediately. It rejects this channel all the time. Look at this. Yeah, you see, and these are some fake outs. You see that this level, the one of the parallel trend line actually gets respected quite well. Here it dips under a bit, so maybe we can do this. This this one was good actually. Maybe like this, yeah. So you see that a lot of liquidity grabs are being taken. If this level gets broken, maybe we can actually, for the sake of the video, yeah, take it down because it rejects here and then it just drops straight to. So this is a very strong level, even for a parallel trend line from the middle, from the equilibrium here. We can see that it really reacts heavily to this trend line. If we take it really on this trend line for now, let's see, like this, then drag it up. Yeah, so it fits perfectly with this trend line. We can actually see that this level is very important. All right, so a lot of liquidity was taken here, and now we're drop again. A lot of liquidity was taken here, and now we drop again. So this is actually what the market does, and this is going to be a wick fill. You see that? These wicks are going to be filled. These yesterday we took the low, we took out a low, we wiped a low, we call that. So yeah, okay, great. That's that. So we're waiting for this to happen. Maybe drop to this level. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking for right now. And maybe we get some other trend lines that correspond, but not yet, not yet. All right, so we have got one important one here as well, though. So what can happen is we can actually do something like this, this, like to this one, and then drop again. Um, I think we're still in this slope. We have been in this slope because actually I'm not counting this one because we immediately rejected this level here. I mean, I don't know what just happened. I mean, it was like I think the 1.5 version of Casper that was unlocked. But yeah, immediately you saw a big sell-off, big correction, which if we are going to take was very logical. See, it hit 0.618, the number of Fibonacci. That's the most important for confirmations, and it hit it very well. And here you see this beautiful candle closing above it. Um, but yeah, it made a lower low, so I knew, and I posted, I think, at that moment, like on Twitter, um, we made a lower low, we're gonna go down, and and I actually called it that we were going to 0.034, so 3.4 cents. No one believed me, everyone's laughing, but it came true, and yeah, so that's why you guys are here. All right, so let's look at what's gonna happen next. So I think the downward potential is at the 3.2 cents easily, and yeah, I'm not exaggerating. I think it's gonna go there, right there. We see still that this is a very strong support level. Every time we hit it, we bounced off it and we made like a big. So this is very important. If I see a bullish engulfing candle like this, I'm not gonna waste buying after that. So see this 11%, right? Um, I mean, I don't even care if Casper does 11% because then I know like okay, we have a good bullish engulfing if we have one here after like tomorrow maybe or something. But I'm waiting for the candle close today. I'm not gonna wait to close to see it close because I wake up at 6 in the morning anyway. So I only lose 6 hours of the daily candle every day. So what we can see here, this is very important. Um, on the daily, we could actually see that this was a very huge supply zone that we're still in, right? We're still in that, and see we're actually dipping out of it a bit. maybe do it like this is way more accurate. You see, we took it twice already. Um, it's also if you go and look, yeah, here it is. Here it is. This is what I want to show you guys. This is very important. These very long liquidity grabs downward are to take liquidity into the market, to like steal it from people, you know, putting people out of stop losses. And what do we see? We see the levels, like the wicks, wick fishing, we call this. It's fishing for these wicks, fishing for this liquidity that's down here. There's a lot of liquidity down here, but if we look at this, right, guys, normal people started buying Casper here. I mean, you can actually see that, like the big candles all following up. I mean, these are also people, and here as well. People bought here as well. So what can we see is we can see this by yeah, we can see that people made like 26, 25%. But look at this downward potential, guys. I mean, there's so much liquidity here that it's almost insane. Stop losses, stuff like that, you know. So yeah, let's see. I think that's everything for today. I think we have a couple of targets. The the 3 cents is almost as close as I mean I can just smell it, to say the least. Then this the 3.17 cents is very, very strong, and the 3.2 cents is very strong level as well. So these third touches, right? They work like a magnet. I mean, you should look at Ethereum and stuff like that. They always go to these third touches. It's actually insane. So good luck, guys. See you out there and be safe. Goodbye, Casper. Ghosts. Bye.